Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Tune in.
Our cat had kittens, y'all. Kelly had her second litter, March 16, 2024. Ew, that makes them Pisces.
Okay, we're gonna get out the house today. We're gonna go do some clothing shopping for us and the kids, and we might even squeeze in some shoes. It wouldn't be complete without shoes. All right, tune in.
My husband bought me. So you do the same thing with this. He had me get the big spray. And this is new by Morphe, so we're gonna get it to try today. Okay, well, I'm gonna take my stuff out. We're not gonna do too much with the hair because I ain't gonna lie, it's 210 density. It's hot. Dad, you know what the weather is gonna be today? Okay, before I do my makeup, I'm gonna lay my sideburns. Because whenever you lay it after, it'll be makeup everywhere. Okay. Focus, focus, focus. These are my lashes, Divine. Look at my husband wrote on their damn box because I be forgetting shit. I know it's his writing. This is Divine. This will be on my website. I'll renewed that. Okay. I'm not gonna be all day. What did I say I was gonna do? My baby hair. Oh, I'm trying this new argan snot. It's not snot, y'all, but it's a glue, hair glue. I'm gonna get her a try. Let's see if she hold the baby hair. I don't know about y'all, but I always wet my baby hair first.
Okay, so we're gonna fast forward ×5 so y'all can see me do my baby hair, and then we're gonna get into this look, okay? Okay, and they do have an argan snot. I haven't tried that yet. I just tried the edge glue so far, and I give it 10 out of 10. It holds your hair, and it's not as flaky as got to be glue. So go ahead and get that a try.
Some cocoa butter on our face. Okay. I'm gonna try the Morphe primer for the first time. It says Morphe Equalizer Foundation Primer. I think it was like $16.
Okay, so right now my skin's a little bit on the dry side, so I decided to switch up my primer and my concealers. Before I was using the e.l.f. primer and the e.l.f. concealer, and after setting my face, even with the e.l.f. setting spray, my makeup was just extra dry. So now I'm using the Morphe primer, and I'm using Ruby Kiss concealer, and my makeup is just flawless. It comes out with a beautiful finish. It's mattified and dewy at the same time, so give it a try. I promise you, I'm the worst when it comes to opening anything in a box or a bag. If you want your box or bag to be perfect and reusable, I am not the person to open it, okay? I tear a box or a bag up. Okay, so I'm going in with the Banana Rich Morphe setting powder to set my brows, just to have a longer lasting brow and a more mattified brow. Because throughout the day, yeah, I'll be sweating. Perspiring, is that what they say? Okay, so I'm filling in my brows with Ruby Kiss eyeliner, brow pencil in the shade dark brown. Okay, so I'm trying new concealers. These I got from my local beauty supply store. It's the Ruby Kiss concealer in the shade Toffee and Warm Coconut, I believe. But in this video, or this makeup tutorial, we're going in with Toffee to conceal under our eyes, and then we're going to go in with the Maybelline foundation in the shade Mocha to go in on top of our brows. Okay, so bottom brow, Toffee by Ruby Kiss. Top brow, foundation by Maybelline, shade Mocha.
You remember that's when you start eating them? That was Grandma Marie in the bed. She's bedbound right now. Yeah. I was 2-3 years old walking. And we'd go to his grandma's house, she'd always have Cheeto Puffs. And they'd sit and share Cheeto Puffs. The fact that he remembers that is beautiful. We're not gonna open the warm coconut. I'm just using my foundation because it's time to get out of here. Come on, turn your body. This is the Maybelline. I didn't know they had a hydrating one, so we're gonna try that. But right now.
Okay, so we're going in with the Ruby Kiss concealer in the shade Toffee. It's the same concealer I use to clean up my bottom brow to conceal our lids. And then we're going to go ahead and set, yes I said set, we're going to set that concealer in place with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. Okay. Okay, so I'm using colors today from the Culture 2 palette. This is the color Band 2. Then we're going to go on with a pink and then dashiki. Alright.
I know Valentine's Day over, but
you should have done green for the green.
I can't, not while your dad gets first and get out the door. I thought I'd have more time, but he don't play this one.
Okay, so I'm highlighting with the Toffee concealer by Ruby Kiss. And then my foundation, once again, is Maybelline Mocha in the shade 360. Okay, so I blended out my foundation. Now I'm blending out my highlight. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it all out until you have no harsh lines, ladies, okay? It took me a while before I caught on to that. I don't blame myself, though. I was horrible at shading in school. Anyways, I'm going in with the Morphe setting powder to set my makeup. And this is in the shade Banana Rich, okay? Banana Rich. Okay, so I'm contouring my face with the Juvia's Place contour palette in the shade Bronze. I believe it's Deep Bronze by Juvia's Place, okay? And that's what we're contouring with. And then we're going to set that face with our Morphe Hydrating Setting Spray, okay? Okay, so I put my earrings on, I resprayed my lace front to make sure everything's tight and secure, and we're using mascara today, ladies, okay? First I didn't have my lashes in the last video, now I got my lashes, now I don't have no glue. So what you gonna do? You gonna make it work. So I ended up using mascara for this look, and we're gonna go shopping. Alright, so stay tuned, shortly we'll have our try on haul for DD's, City Trend, and Ross. Alright. Now I'm getting my mommy on. I'm getting ready to do Amira's hair. She got real thick, beautiful curly hair, you guys. And when we flatten it or straighten it, which I've only done once, I can't even say I flattened it. I did the blow dryer. After I explained to her how heat can damage her hair, she's like, "No, mommy, you're not putting heat on my hair." But I love the fact that she's in love with her curls, and we literally just do conditioner and water. And when it's not done like this, we do a protective braided style. But she's definitely into her curls.
I call him Booty, y'all, but he like to dance. He was born on my birthday. He's himself. My daughter, on the other hand, he's 5. She just like me 5. Who's watching? See, I'm 88 and you 2018. I don't like him. He's born on my birthday. I'm just telling her, you missed out on so much. I was a wallflower. What's your name? 2 days for prom. Like, how are you a wallflower with 2 days for prom?
My hair. It was like a new one.
He's Marcel Martin.
You might have with my noise.
Oh, there.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward. I'm gonna put his hair in a ponytail and we get ready to go. I swear kids be doing the most when they get their hair done. Like them elbows be up in the air. Like, what is that doing for you? It ain't doing nothing for you. It ain't doing nothing for me. You just in my way at this point. Put your arms down.
We out. Today's the 17th of March. It's Saturday. I'm gonna get out with the kids, do a little bit of shopping, then come back and check that good old credit report out and get some credit paid so we can work on getting us a place. All right, Charlie, my beauty.